Maintaining rates doesn't have to mean tedious manual entry. Here's how easy it is in Oracle Transportation Management. It all starts with rate maintenance, where you define the format of your rate spreadsheet once. We open an existing rate load definition, the template for our data exchange. 2 templates are already set up here. We'll work with the Schenker rate load definition. From the Actions menu, we can download the matching rate record structure directly. We select the rate record structure and link it to a saved query. One click on Add, and the matching rate record is found. Start the download, and the export runs in the background. The result, a standard Excel spreadsheet with all the rate offering data, ready for editing. Here we see the details, source and destination location, weight breaks, and the current rate cost. One price update is all it takes. 106.47 euros becomes 125 euros, just like any Excel spreadsheet. Back in OTM, now the updated spreadsheet just needs to be uploaded. There's a dedicated action for that right in the menu. Select the file and assign a rate load group ID so the upload can be clearly tracked. Click Upload, and Oracle Transportation Management automatically notifies all involved parties once processing is complete. We track the status in the approval summary. Just search for our rate load group. The upload was successful. 1 rate offering and 1 rate record are now waiting for approval. Both records can be reviewed here in detail before they go live. With a click on Approve, the new rate is officially approved. The status immediately switches to Approved. And there it is, our new, active rate at 125 euros, ready to be used for shipment planning. This same process scales effortlessly, whether it's a single rate update or thousands of rates at once, all fully tracked and auditable, right up to production.